Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas151.
131. Okay, so this is a
51.
151. Sorry, yeah. Today we're making a follow-up video to what we did yesterday with the blocks. And if you remember, what we did with the blocks is we said we could add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 with the blocks. Remember we did that with the blocks and we counted them up?
That equaled 15.
Right, this is 15, and what we did, a different way we showed that is we just put another set of blocks right next to it that was backwards. And we added this, and we got 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is?
6.
3 plus 3 is?
6.
4 plus 2 is?
6.
5 plus 1 is 6. So this is 2 times, or twice, our sum is this. So we want to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We just write it backwards, and we get all 6s, and that's 2 times our what we were trying to add up. Why is this twice what we were trying to add up?
Because we wrote two sets.
Okay, right, because we wrote it twice. We wrote 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 twice. Just because we wrote it backwards, it still has the same sum, right? But we know how to add up a bunch of 6s. This is just 5 times 6, right? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6s. And what is 5 times 6?
It's 30.
30. Very good. 30. Now that's 2 times what we want, so our sum is what?
Our sum is 30.
Well, remember, this is 30 is twice what we're looking for.
Oh, so twice.
2 times what number is 30? 15. Very good. So this is a quick way to do it. Now you might say, for 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that's no big deal. So I make sure we're on camera. For 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that's all pretty easy, right? Mm-hmm. But what if we wanted to add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up to 25. Whoa! Okay, you ready for this? And we're just going to write it backwards. So this equals, we don't know, right? So 25 plus 24 plus 23 plus 2 plus 1. We write it backwards and then we add it. What's 1 plus 25?
26.
26. What's 2 plus 24?
26.
26. What's 3 plus 23?
26.
26. What's 2 plus 24?
It's 26.
26. What's 25 plus 1?
26.
26. So we get all these 26s this time. Then now the question is, how many 26s do we have? What do you think?
I don't know.
Well, we have 1 for each column we would have added together. So the question is, how many numbers are there? If you start at 1, 2, 3, and you go all the way up to 25, how many numbers do you?
There's 25.
25 numbers. So this is the same as 25 times 26. And remember, this is twice our number. Now, you don't probably know what 25 times 26 is, do you? No. Then we have to figure that out. But luckily, multiplying by 25s is pretty... What's wrong?
No.
Multiplying by 25s is actually pretty easy, but we're going to make our life a little easier even because we're going to divide by 2 first. Okay? So this is twice our number, so our number must be the same as 25 times 13 because 26 divided by 2 is 13, right? Does that make sense? Okay, so this is the number we're looking for. This is our number. Okay, now 25 times 13. Do you know anything special that has a 25 in it?
25?
Where do you sometimes see the number 25? A lot of times, actually.
A lot.
In money.
In quarters.
In quarters. What's special about quarters?
They're worth 25 cents.
Yeah? How many quarters do you need to make $1?
4.
4. So that means 25 times 4 is 100, right?
Mhm.
Okay. That's nice to know. So what's 25 times 8? Write that for me. Actually, let me start at the top. We're trying to figure out what 25 times 13 is. But we know 25 times 4 is 100. So what do you think 25 times 8 is?
200?
Yeah, write that. 25 times 8 equals 200. Okay, that's nice to know. All right, what should we do next? 25 times what?
25 times 12?
Yeah, what does 25 times 12 equal?
300?
300. Yeah, because if you had 12 quarters, you would have $3. Okay, now what are we trying to figure out?
Try to figure out 13 is 25 times 13.
So we're trying to figure out what 25 times 13 is, but we just figured out that 25 times 12 is 300. So what do you think 25 times 13 is?
325?
325, yeah, write that down. 25 times 13 is 325.
5.
Whoa. See, it wasn't actually that hard to figure out what 25 times 13 was, because...
We know what 25 times 4 is.
Yeah, we knew from money that if you have 4 quarters, you have how much?
You know that you have $1.
Right, and if you have 8 quarters, how much money do you have?
$2.
And if you have 12 quarters, how much money do you have?
$3.
So if you have 13 quarters, how much money do you have?
$3.25.
$3.25. Okay, so this tells us that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up to plus 25 is actually 325. That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Keyboard.
So we added this all up without really even adding with our trick. And you know what you can do? You can add up the numbers to anything you want. Using this, you could add up the numbers all the way up to 100. Whoa. You know what that equals? 5,050. Whoa. So you don't even have to add them up. You just write them backwards, add them, and then multiply. It's pretty cool. Okay. Good job, honey. Good job. That's a pretty neat trick, isn't it?